To check your account balance on Curve 2026, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your balance information. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once you are logged in, go to the main dashboard. This is usually the first screen you see after logging in, displaying your linked cards and balances. Step 3. Select your card. Tap on the card you want to check the balance for. This will take you to the details of that specific card, including recent transactions and balance information. Step 4. View your balance. Look for the balance section on the card details page. Your current balance should be clearly displayed, allowing you to see how much you have available. Step 5. Log out optional. If you are finished checking your balance, consider logging out for security purposes, especially if you are using a shared or public device. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Curve 2026. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances more effectively.